Did you know that you can make bridge pages by simply using solo-friendly swipe? By using these 200 swipes, you'll get more clicks and higher conversions, whether it be for yourself, your partners, and or your clients. And just like you, everyone needs swipes for their ads, emails, social media posts, blogs, websites, and so on, because it makes it copy-paste and that saves you tons of time. Now let me show you a quick example of what I mean by this. So let's assume I'm taking this swipe, I'm gonna copy the headline, and here is where I would paste it, right? Now obviously once you go through the editor, it's gonna make more sense, but when you paste your headline as the title of your page, it will show up here. But once more, it's really important that you understand that each swipe you're using has to be relevant to your bridge pages to get engagement. Now I'm sure you realize by now that whatever your level of writing is, the Clixbooster Super Swipes can save you lots of time and effort by providing you with 200 done-for-you swipes that you can use for any make money online promotions you want, guaranteed. By grabbing the Clixbooster Super Swipe Pack right now, you'll also be getting $5,819 worth of amazing bonuses that will provide you with more training and make you more money. And all you need to do to get instant access to the Clixbooster Super Swipes Pack and the high value bonuses is go below this video right now. And I'll see you on the inside.